21. Two cells, each of EMF, electromotive force 9 volt, and internal resistance 3 ohm, are connected in series. A 12 ohm resistor is connected in series to the cells. What is the current in the resistor? Firstly, draw the two cells. The two cells, each one is 9 volts. Connected in series, we have to add the voltage. Potential difference is going to be 18 volts. Each cell has its own internal resistor, which is 3 ohm for the first one and 3 ohm for the second one. Here, the 12 ohm for the resistor, which is connected in series to the cells and the internal resistors. So remember, the 9 volt of the first cell has its own internal resistor, which is 3 ohm, and the second one here, the 9 volt, has its own internal resistance, 3 ohm. Complete drawing the electric circuit. The question is to calculate the current in the resistor, so that I equals, from Ohm's law, the total voltage Vt divided by the total resistance RT. The total voltage, as I said, the 9 and 9 for both EMF or two cells is 19 voltage or 19 volt divided by the summation or the total resistance or the equivalent resistance 3 plus 3 plus 12, 18. 18 divided by 18 equals 1 ampere. So the correct answer is C.